Hello, this is Dr. Jay Hartley at the Hartley Chiropractic and Scoliosis Center in St. Augustine, Florida. Today we're going to be talking about the Occiput C1 and C2. The developer of chiropractic, Dr. B.J. Palmer, developed a technique called the hole-in-one technique. So in order to get a hole-in-one in golf, you got to have that cup going down to the ground, the ball drops straight down. Well, he had a theory that if you wanted to be healthy, the brain and spinal cord's got to drop right down into the top of your spine to get those signals to your body to be healthy. So he developed what's called a hole-in-one technique. So what we're looking at is the occiput C1, C2. If that gets out of alignment, then it's going to block the spinal cord. So if we get some rotation there, blocks the spinal cord, then it's going to interfere with your body's ability to be healthy. Some of the symptoms that can be caused by your upper neck being out of alignment. The occiput C1 joint, that can refer to give you occipital headaches, migraine symptoms. You can get visual disturbances, smell funny things, sick to your stomach. So the vagus nerve comes out of here, and that's called a wanderer. It affects all your organs, all the way down from your heart down to the uterus. So if you have a misalignment up here, people can sometimes say they feel sick to their stomach because that nerve wanders, goes all the way down to their stomach. Studies have shown that when women are under chiropractic care when they're pregnant, they can have shorter delivery times and less pain. One of those reasons is because if that upper neck's in alignment, the vagus nerve works better and the uterus works better, they have an easier delivery. C2 has a big control of the sinus. So it's very common if somebody has sinus or allergy symptoms and we adjust that vertebra, many times those things will get better. And commonly if somebody has a sinus issue and I'm adjusting the C2, or I've even noticed this on myself, I'll actually feel it in my sinuses and you'll feel those starting to open up and work better almost immediately. So this has been Dr. Jay Hartley, Hartley Chiropractic and Scoliosis Center, talking about the hole-in-one technique. Now you go out there and make yourself a great day.